morning to you all. I hope you all are doing good and having a great fun at home. My dear students, I know that your summer vacations are going on. But मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, छुट्टियों के अंदर पढ़ाई भी थोड़ी सी ज़रूरी होती है. So yes, I am your teacher Amreen for the subject English. And now I am going to teach you about the CVC words. Yes, my dear students, today we have a topic in which we are going to read about the CVC words. Can you all see? There are so many flashcards on the board. Now let's figure it out. CVC. What does this word mean? C stands for the consonants. V stands for the vowels. And again, C stands for the consonants. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हम लोगों ने पहले ही vowels and consonants के बारे में काफ़ी पढ़ लिया है. हमें पता है कि इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स के अंदर 2 मेन ग्रुप्स होते हैं, vowels and consonants. So अब हम उन्हीं ग्रुप्स के मदद से न्यू वर्ड्स बिल्ड अप करेंगे. Yes, my dear students, now it's time to build up new words with the group vowel and group consonants. Consonant, vowels and consonants. Can you see this? What word is written over here? Let's read with me. Reading करते हुए हम लोगों ने इसको CAT नहीं पढ़ना. Instead of it, we have to use the phonics. K, A, T, cat. So my dear students, we have a very cute cat over here. And this cute cat को अब हमने split करना है, यानी कि इसको हमने break down कर देना है in CVC. Can you all see that which letter is this? It's C. And C belongs to which group? A consonant group. So my dear students, you all can see that C it's a consonant. That is why it is written at the first. Next we have A. A. Can you all figure it out that from which group does this letter belongs? It belongs to the vowel group. So yes, can you all see that vowels? From the group of vowels we have A. K, A, ka. Last we have T. And T belongs to which group? Consonants. Wow. So this is a chain. इस चेन ने इतना प्यारा सा न्यू वर्ड बना दिया है. So अब मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, we have to move on to our reading books ताकि हम वहाँ पर और amazing words पढ़ सकें. So now let's move on to our English reading books to read more about the CVC and to read more words from it. So now my dear students, it's time to read the 2-letter words. अगर हम इनको पढ़ लेंगे तो हमारे लिए आगे वर्ड्स बनाना बहुत ईजी हो जाएंगे. एंड रीडिंग करते वक्त यू ऑल हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यू डोंट हैव टू से द अल्फाबेट्स नेम, लाइक डोंट से इट A or T. Instead of it, you just have to recall their phonic sound and make or read that word in that way. At, 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 n, at, at. A के लिए we have to stretch like at, but for E we don't have to stretch, we just have to say it at. N, in, ought, up, Og, og. Og, og. At, at. At, at. An, an. An, an. Wow! We all have read these two-letter words. Now, अब हम इनको join करेंगे with consonants. First, we have at. Now, split this word and read with me. Bat. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अब ये bat के साथ ही we have so many words. So basically, we have at family over here. Cat, fat, hat, mat. Next we have an. Let's split it. Can. Can. So now we again have so many words which belongs to the same group, like it contains the same sound. An, fan, man, pan, van. Wow! Let's move on to the next page. So now let's read it. At. Let's split this word. Get. Get. Now again, at. We have so many words that rhyme, that sounds the same like this. Jet, let, net, pet. Wow. Next we have an. Let's split this word. Den. आपने ये सारे वर्ड्स को भी स्प्लिट करके पढ़ना है. मैं तो जस्ट आपको फैमिलीज बता रही हूँ. Now we have so many words that belongs to the N family. Hen, men, pen, ten. Wow. Next we have in. Let's split this word. Bin. Let's figure it out. Let's read out more words that belong to the same family. Fin, pin, sin, and tin. Next we have ought. Let's split it out. Caught. Now again we have so many words that belongs to the ought family. Dot, goat, hot, pot. Initial sound सिर्फ change होगा. Last sound हमारा वो ही रहेगा. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, so now we have up. Let's split this word. Hop. Let's read the words that belong to the same family. Mop, top, pop. Next we have og. Let's split it out. Dog. Let's figure it out. All the words that belongs to the og family. Fog, jog, log. Next we have at. Let's split out. But. Let's read out the more words that belongs to the same family. Cut, hut, nut. Nice. Let's read the next family words. Un. Let's split it out. Bun. Let's figure it out the more word that belongs to the same family. Fun. Run. Sun. Wow, we have read so many words. Now it's your turn. आप लोगों ने हर फैमिली का एक न्यू वर्ड खुद से बिल्ड करना है. And next, we have to conduct an activity for the topic CBC words. Let's move on to that activity. So now, my dear students, we have an activity for the CBC topic. Let's read the statement with me. Look at the given pictures. Rearrange the jumbled letters to make a CBC word. We have so many pictures over here and we have the letters written over here. हर पिक्चर के सामने एक हमारे पास टेबल गिवन है जिसमें हमारे पास बिल्कुल जम्बल्ड अप वर्ड्स गिवन है. अब हमने उनको अरेंज करके इस पिक्चर को नेम देना है. सो ये पिक्चर किस चीज की है? This is a picture of a hat. Hat. First letter is H. It means age. So we will write age over here. Ha. Next. A. You can cut the H from here. Next, we are left with the two letters. Let's figure it out कि next कौन सा हमारे पास word आएगा. So we have a hint over here. Between हमारे पास V आता है. It means vowel हमारे पास in center आएगा. A. Wow. A. So we have to write H. A. And next we are left with T. और हमारे पास ending sound भी hat की यही आ रही है. H. A. T. Hat. H. A. T. Hat. Next, this is a picture of a vet. Vet कहते हैं animal doctor को. So vet. कौन सा consonant first पे आएगा? V. Cut this word and write it over here. A. E. Cut it over here. Next, write it over here. You have to cut from here and write over here. A. T. T. Can you all see? Oh, the T doesn't look good. We have to raise it and write it once again. Vet. CVC. Consonant, vowel and consonant. At vet. Next we have a picture of a dog. Dog. D. Write D first. D. And then O. Which vowel came over here? O. D O. G. Right? G over here. D O G dog. Dog. Next we have pin. Pin. P. Cut it over here. Cut from here and write over here. P. I. And next N. Pin. Pin. Last but not the least, we have a picture of a sun. Sun. S will come at the first. A means you. A vowel will came over here. Sun. Wow, this activity is so fun. Now it's your turn to do such activities at your home. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.